Good morning, students. Students, I hope you have done the given work properly in your notebook. Okay, if you have any doubt, so write it down in your notebook. Okay, and just ask me in a doubt clearing session. And one more important thing, that you want to try that question, so you are not sure about the answer, just solve that question with the pencil. Okay, so when you will get the answer key, that time you just cross checked out. Okay, so today we are going to, so in the last session we have seen how to do the multiplication of fraction by whole number. Okay, so today we are going to see how to do the multiplication of fraction by fraction. Okay, so you have to remember two things, two rules are there when you are doing the multiplication of fraction by fraction. First is the product of their numerators. So you are going to multiply two fractions. Okay, so you have to multiply. Okay, so you have to multiply the numerator of the given fraction, and then upon you have to multiply the denominator of the given fraction, and then you will get the product of two fraction. Okay, finally that you have to do it. Again, the second thing is, now when you are doing this, okay, when you are multiplying the numerator and denominator, if numerator and denominator both are divisible by one number, okay, सेम नंबर, ओके सेम नंबर, अगर ऊपर 4 है और नीचे 2 है, ओके, और मुझे इन दोनों का मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर रही हूँ सेम नंबर से नहीं, दूसरे कोई नंबर से, ओके, तो मैं क्या करूंगी, मैं उन दोनों को पहले क्या करूंगी, डिवाइड करूंगी, देन मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी. एंड लेट्स सी हियर वी विल डू दैट. ओके, सो रूल नंबर 2 इज, इफ एनी ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन इज अ मिक्स फ्रैक्शन और अ होल नंबर. सो क्या करना है, अगर मिक्स फ्रैक्शन है तो पहले हमको इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, और फिर जाके उसका फाइनल मल्टीप्लिकेशन, मतलब उसको हमें फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में लाना है और फिर उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. कैसे करना है, हियर आई हैव टेकन द 3 एग्जाम्पल. सो फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल is 2 upon 3 multiplied by 6 upon 7. So what they have said, product of the two. So here two numerator are there, सामने सामने 2 और 6, ये दोनों भी डिविजिबल है, पर वो सामने सामने है, सामने सामने जो है उसका हमें डिवाइड नहीं करना है, हमको उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So 2 multiplied by 3 and here 3 multiplied by 7. Now I have written in this form. Okay, now I have to see which numbers are there, both are divisible by one number, that is here 3 is there. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So here we got 2 multiplied by 1. Here I'll write 2 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 7. So here we got the answer, that is sorry, here 6 is there, 6 is there, sorry 6 is there. So 2 ones, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So here we got the answer 2 multiplied by 2 and 1 upon 7. So 2 twos are 4 and 1 sevens are 7. So here we got the answer. How we have done the multiplication of two fraction? Here first we have seen that first what we have to do, we have to multiply the numerator, then multiply both the denominator. If the numerator and denominator, if both are divisible by one number, so divide them and then multiply. Okay, so we have solved the question number 1 over here. So question number 2 is here example. Okay, sorry, example. So 3 upon 4 multiplied by 4 2 upon 3. So here one fraction is mixed fraction is there. What they have said, mixed fraction is there, so convert means change into a improper fraction. So improper fraction हम mixed fraction में कैसे change करते हैं हम, that is 3 multiplied by 4 plus with the 2. So 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 14. So here we got the answer 14 upon 3. Okay, so now let's just multiply 3 upon 4 multiplied by 4 upon 3. So 3 multiplied by 14, 4 multiplied by 3. Again 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. ओके, 4 and 14 बोथ आर डिविजिबल बाय वन नंबर. ये दोनों नंबर कौन से एक टेबल में है, कौन से एक कॉमन टेबल में, दैट इज 2. सो 2 twos are 4 and 2 sevens are 14. So 1 multiplied by 7, 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7 multiplied by 2. Oh sorry, 7 upon 2. 7 ones are 7, 2 ones are 2. So here we got 7 upon 2. So in this way we have solved. Okay, same way you have to go here. Two mixed fractions are there. First convert them into improper fraction. 3 multiplied by 6, that is 18. 18 plus 2, that is 20. So here we got the answer 20 upon 3. Again 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 upon 8. So let's just write them in the, so product product of their numerator. So here we have multiplied both the numerator and denominator. Now here all the numbers are divisible by which number, that let's find. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Okay, and here again don't divide the 20 by 5 because here both are numerator और numerator के साथ multiply होता है, क्या ये नहीं होता, divide नहीं होता. Okay, so here again 20 and 8 both numbers are divisible by one number. Which number is that? That is 4. Okay, so 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. So here we got 5 multiplied by 5 and 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 25 upon 2. Okay, so here one more important thing that I want to tell you. Now here mixed fractions are there. Okay, when you get the mixed fraction, so whatever the answer will come, that is also in the form of mixed fraction. So here we got 7 upon 2, which is improper fraction. Okay, numerator is greater. So here 2 3s are 6 and 1. So here we converted this fraction into a mixed fraction. Again same thing we have to follow. Okay, so here 2 12s are 24 and plus 1 25. So here we have converted this fraction into, you can just do the division, divide the 25 with the 2, here also divide the 7 by 2, you will get the same answer. Okay, so here we have seen how to do the multiplication of fraction by fraction. Let's solve the exercise. With the next exercise is 2.3, which is very simple. Some question I will solve, some question you have to solve as a homework. Now exercise 2.3 student, and first question is find, first is 1 upon 4 of 1 upon 4, b 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 3. So these three fractions are there, are in three fractions ka 1 upon 4 means how many, that we have to find. The previous one how we have solved, same way we have to solve. B question is 1 upon 7 of 2 upon 9, 6 upon 5 and 3 upon 10. Here two examples are there, A and B. Okay, A and B are there. Okay, 1 and 2 are there. So I am going to solve the second example. I am going to solve, first example you have to solve, because here some student, oh teacher ने तो simple वाला ही solve किया, second वाला थोड़ा सा number क्या है, थोड़े बड़े हैं, so that's why I am going to solve the second one. Okay, and from that you have to see that how I am solving, the same way you have to solve the first one. Okay, 1 upon 7 of 2 by 9 means of is word is there, means what, we have to do the multiplication. 1 upon 7 multiplied by 2 upon 9. Okay, now all the numbers are there, all numbers are prime number, they are not divisible by any number. So 1 multiplied by 2, 7 multiplied by 9. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 7 nines are 63. Okay, so here we got the answer, that is 2 upon 63. मतलब 1 upon 7 मतलब 2 upon 9 का कितना हुआ, that is 2 upon 63. Okay, so here the second example, 1 upon 7 multiplied by 6 upon 5. Okay, again do the multiplication of both numerator, 1 multiplied by 6, denominator 7 multiplied by 5. Okay, so 6 ones are 6, 7 5s are 35. Okay, so here we got the answer. Again same thing you have to do, 1 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 10. Multiply both the numerator and denominator. 1 multiplied by 3, 7 multiplied by 10 is equal to 3 ones are 3, 7 tens are 70. Okay, so here we got the answer. Very simple, same way you have to do it. You have to do it. Okay, पहले 1 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 4 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई, जो भी प्रोडक्ट आता है that will be your product of these two fractions. Okay, same way you have to solve. So first example is for the homework, second I have solved over here. Okay, let's solve the question number 2. In question number 2, in also there are so many questions are there. Okay, so I'm going to solve some of those some questions, and the remaining question you have to solve. Okay, you have to see how I'm solving, in the same way you have to solve. Now question number 2 is multiply and reduce to lowest form if it is possible. Okay, so they have given that if possible अगर हो सके तो करो, नहीं हो रहा है तो छोड़ दो. Okay, अगर हो रहा है तो करो, नहीं हो रहा है तो वैसे ही रहने दो. So first example is here 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2 2 upon 3. Okay, so here one fraction is there, one mixed fraction is there. If mixed fraction is there, first we have to convert it into improper fraction and then multiply. Okay, so I will convert it. 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 8, 2, 8, and here 3. So we got the second fraction. So multiply this fraction with this 2 upon 3 multiply by 8 upon 3. Okay, so here we got the number. So here अभी हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया. ओके, मल्टीप्लाई किया मतलब ऐसे रख दिया है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन अभी किया नहीं है. हमें जब मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर देखना है. अगर बोथ आर डिविजिबल देन डिवाइड इट एंड देन फाइनली मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, बट हियर ऑल नंबर्स आर नॉट. 2 and 8 आर डिविजिबल बट बोथ आर ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ न्यूमरेटर. और न्यूमरेटर के सामने है तो वो डिवाइड नहीं होता. सामने वाली चीज़ डिवाइड नहीं होती, वो मल्टीप्लाई होती है. सो 2 multiplied by 8, 3 multiplied by 3. So here 2 8 are 16, 3 3 are 9. So here we got the answer in the form of improper fraction. Improper. और यहाँ पे mixed fraction है तो हमको ये क्या करना है, हमको convert करना है mixed fraction में. So here 9 1 जा 9. ओके, 9 में कितना मैं प्लस करूँगी तो 16 आ जाएगा. 9 1 जा 9 एंड दैट इज 7. सो 9 1 जा 9, 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So here we have solved this one. Same way, there is nothing difficult in these with these questions because all the questions are very easy. Okay, so let's do the third question. I am going to solve. Second question you have to solve as a homework. Here I have written some examples. These example you have to solve as a homework. Okay, so third example is 3 multiplied by 6, 8 multiplied by 4. Okay, now here I have multiplied numerator and denominator. Now you have to see, I told you before doing multiplication you have to see numerator and denominator because both are in the form of division. Okay, so if both numbers are divided by one number, so what you have to do, you have to divide both the numbers and then solve the next then go to the next step. Okay, so here 2 8 and 6 or 6 and 4 you can take as per your choice. You can take both the numbers and then solve it. So here मैं क्या करूँगी, 6 और 8 को 2 से डिवाइड कर लूँगी. ओके, सो 2 3 जा 6 and 2 4 जा 8. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 4 is equal 3 3 जा 9, 4 4 जा 16. Okay, so here we got the answer. अब इसको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में करना नहीं है क्योंकि ये प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है. प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन को हम मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सो अगर तुम बोलते 6 और 4 को क्यों नहीं किया, वो भी कर सकते थे. 2 3 जा 6, लेट्स डू दैट मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑल्सो. Okay, so here 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 3 multiplied by 3 and 8 multiplied by 2, 8 2 are 16 and 3 3 are 9. See, we got the same answer.